will switch to new map. I think they must to take the greatest raid ever, the bigger raid ever.
Yeah, but before we have to wait GBR.
We can so fucking easy raid them. We play 3 versus 10 people and just crash all fucking walls. Me, Butcher and Hellkite, just 3 people versus all GBR. That was so fucking funny. I did that by Watchtower with all C4s.
Careful, he was. There's
One
still
kilometer.
here. Yeah, there's still here, so.
I'll try to find some gun. And
Well, you can come round to me if you want.
Just don't go right there in the street in front of the base where that sea chest is at, because that guy's in the tree across the street from the sea chest.
Yeah.
If you flank round to my position, I can give you a gun.
I think if I come to your position, they will know where you're sitting.
The problem is they're aiming at our base, so we can't get here.
Server start in 15 minutes.
I can still see him. Yep, they're still there. I can see him moving around, jumping over fences and shit. I need a vantage point.
I'm gonna try to get to you, Mike.
I need somewhere I can fucking shoot off, like a roof or a window up high somewhere. I can't fucking... Every fucking base you guys got, you fucking locked it off and everything. What's this, the fire station or something? Okay, I'm gonna get on this roof now. Somehow.
I take full ghillie suit. Oh fuck, no guns here. Oh, it's not full ghillie suit. Just fucking little piece. Yeah, run with knife to base, it's not funny.
Yeah, they will kill you. Yeah, I just need like one JTAG and I go on my OP position and they can't go out of the base. Evils, I found such a OP position with def your base.
Okay, I'm on top of the fire station.
Oh, I found pistol.
I will try to run in my base.
Oh shit! Fucking holy fuck. Grizzly. I'm so fucking scared. 6 bullets in pistol. For sure. Oh, new magazine. Oh fuck.
Okay, I've got good visual.
Okay.
Okay, this guy outside your base.
Running
Yep.
to me?
He's outside the base.
Yes.
On the southern side. Ghillie suit.
Yeah, I see him. He's trying to find me.
Run round the northern side.
I hit him too
Run
much
round.
time. I will kill him with pistol. Just check this shit. Oh. I killed the guy
Nice.
with pistol.
Nice.
Another one coming. Another one coming onto you. Another one on your location now. Ghillie suit. Ghillie suit.
Oh, no time to run back. By the way, I killed with GLOCK. It's